welcome back to my channel today. Chomzy husband don come out come rant on internet space again, and children of anger don come out come give am better woto. And also Bella Okwagwe sister wey be say dem dey call Sandra don publicly come out come claim to be Flavour wey be Nigerian musician. E don claim to be the man wife. So a few months ago, early last month to be precise, Chomzy husband wey be say dey call himself Rico, im come out to come show us a video wey be say im first son dey for inside a G-Wagon, im dey drive am dey go where we no know. So im come out to come make the video that time wey be say e come talk say how many of our children don enter G-Wagon before. Dat thing come make people vex, call am out that time, call am a childish man and all sort of names, but it's like the man is not backing down anytime soon. Im come out again today to come drop this video of the same G-Wagon wey e use take dey pepper us. Im come out come show us the fleet of cars wey be say dey for a garage for a house, and the G-Wagon na dey for the front, as you can see it on your screen. So im come say poor man pikin go think say na wallpaper. Normally this poor man pikin matter na the thread wey be say dey for online. Any small thing, if person do something, say poor man pikin go think say na so, poor man pikin go think say na like this. So im come out to come do im own, but as im do am, the thing come vex people. We get rich people for this country wey be say no dey make noise, very wealthy people. I talk about the likes of the Adeleke, Davido papa. We no even know say that man get person like that wey get money dey this country before. We get the likes of wetin they call this man, Terry Wire. We no even know say the likes of those dey for there until their children come out to come show us say yeah, my papa dey get money, those type of thing. Since Chomzy marry this her husband, the man never allow us get peace on internet space. Which rich this guy rich, we no know. So many rich people dey this country wey be say dey give us stress, but Chomzy husband e no gree. So the first person under the comments after he dropped this thing, the first person say trying to force your richness down our throat only proves one thing. To me, it only proves that there's something off about this guy. I hope Chomzy genuinely happy, because they just say money no fit solve everything. Forget say we need money for everything, but it can't solve all our problems. Another person come say, do you know the biggest flex as a woman when your man don't seek social media validation? The rich low-key nigga is just the best, and na so it's supposed to be. When man wey be say get money no dey talk too much, and the one wey no get anything, when just once poor man pikin just mistakenly jam money, forget about it. If you take a particular person, if you take a man out of poverty, but the poverty mentality can never be taken out of him, can never. Another one say this one just married Chomzy for fame. Okay, likely attention, twe. I've called this man a paparazzi husband before. All of us know say he just married this girl because she dey popular, and she on her own, she not go lie say she not married the man because of money. She don't already reason and say if she continue with Elo Swag, they do that dance video where they do for IG and everywhere, which day she won't dance, make am to take by G-Wagon. You get me? So I believe that all those things like Chomzy reason say Elo Swag still na boy where we say still dey hustle. We don't want that type of person. We want person where we still already they made. And there's nothing wrong with it too. But as you dey pursue money like thief, try make you dey settle with person where man wey be say dey coordinated. You just get the way this guy behavior be, where we say e not just dey normal. Make we not deceive ourselves here. The first wife where we say he marry, he throw that one, collect the woman pikin with full force. So that kind of man, you know, fit know wetin go fit do. So onto Flavour baby mama matter. Flavour baby mama, as we all know, there be two baby mamas, Sandra Okwagwe and Anabana. Both of them was once beauty queen for Nigeria. And now Bella Okwagwe sister, wey be say they call Sandra, that be the first person wey be say Flavour get as a baby mama. After she born the first pikin, Flavour come migrate go dey date another beauty queen wey be Anabana. When that one drop her own pikin, he come go back to Sandra. Sandra come drop another pikin for her. So Sandra has two children for Flavour, while Anabana, the second baby mama, have only one child for Flavour. So over the years, we don dey hear some kind rumor say Gistlover na first bring the story come out. So say it's like this guy he don finally marry Sandra, which is Bella Okwagwe senior sister. But fans no believe am. So fast forward to today, where we say they won't do Flavour papa burial, make the man rest easy. they won't bury the man today. So the woman now, Sandra Okwabi, come out to come talk to say she actually be the Flavour wife since. So she wetin she talk, she come out come say today we gather not in sorrow but in celebration of life of a remarkable man that was and always will be an icon to many. Farewell my father-in-law, Pa Benjamin Okoli. You see am say e put father-in-law. When person say father-in-law, e mean talk say she be the wife of the family. So as she drop that thing, children of the street come out to come give her better woto. Some people, a lot of people dey shocked because this guy has never for once claim this woman for online for public say this is my wife. Other people like Vicky Daniel, Davido, wetin dey call that guy, Neto C, the band people wey be say don really marry, dey always come out dey come talk say this is my wife o. This one Flavour never for once claim Sandra Okpabwe say na my wife be dis. So when she come out come put out dis thing, people gas to ask questions because e dey shocking to all of us. So the first person here say this beautiful woman is steadily claiming Flavour as her husband but he never publicly acknowledges her as his wife. Why? E reach to ask my sister because this Sandra na very beautiful woman. If dem put Sandra put Flavour, the only thing wey be say Flavour get pass her na money, but Sandra on her own, she's not from a poor family, so I no see a reason why e dey so difficult for Flavour to come out to come claim this beautiful woman publicly so that we go see am say na my wife be dis o, na Flavour wife na be dis. Another person come say Flavour is not married. This lady has been parading herself as his wife for so long, but condolence to her though. Another one say Flavour wife when e marry. Another one say did Flavour pay her bride price? Some women sef. It is only normal say Flavour marry her because she don already born 2 children for her now. If you impregnate a woman twice, who you fit say go marry her? Get one time wey be say I bring news about this Sandra Okpabwe matter for my channel before, and one person come from comment section dey tell me to say she don marry. I no quite believe the person, but for Sandra to come out on her own to come make this public, it mean to say actually this guy don marry her low key without us the public knowing. Another one say even Bella said they are married when she was in BB house. Another one say why Flavour publicly denying her? Flavour palliative Omo Ashawo. Another one say my concern is her personal photo shoot. I no even know say they do put photo shoot for burial. The thing tire person. Anyways, this their marriage wey be say just come out online like this, the thing shock me. I no go lie o. E shock me well because Sandra no be person wey be say dey even talk before. She no dey hardly see Sandra for any scandal for online. So I'm not surprised say na low key marriage dey do. So congratulations to her and RIP to wetin be name Flavour papa. Una take care, una bye.